भारत क्रिकेट दलर मुख्य चयनकर्ता अजित अगरकर एक प्रेस मीट करुछंती आसंतु सुनिबा।
What also explains the axing of Karun Nair because he and Sai Sudarshan more or less had the same sort of series anyway. The question was answered. Okay. Yeah.
Ajit, can you explain a bit around Ishan Kishan as well? Narayan Jagadeeshan obviously has been backed here, but Ishan Kishan being the part of the central contract, he's not been around the A squad or the senior squad. He's currently playing in Kolkata in West Bengal package. Around Ishan Kishan, the future of Ishan Kishan.
Yeah, he's in the Irani Trophy team. Yes.
But in India A or senior team of senior, does he has will he have to play domestic cricket regularly to be back in the national?
When we picked India, he was not yet fit anyway.
Okay.
So he's fit now. And look, I mean, Jagdishan was part of the last test match that we picked when Ishan was injured. He's a very good player, as we know, Ishan Kishan. But we'd like him to play a bit more cricket and show some performances.
Ajit, whenever Rishabh is back available, he bats at number 5. So number 6, Nitish Edmonds, I think, is being picked for a home series for the first time. In terms of his development, how do you see that? Do you prefer an all-rounder there, or do you think Devdutt can bat at 6 as well?
I mean, obviously Devdutt can bat. He batted number 4, I think, if I'm not wrong, in Dharamshala, and 3 in Perth. Look, I mean, these are things that eventually the captain and the coach look at what the best balance is. But Nitish showed a lot of promise, even the way he bowled at Lords, and the way he batted under pressure, second inning. So we can see that. Plus, his batting in Australia has shown he's got the potential, and he's still a young kid who's developing his game. So, the more he plays, the better he's going to get, and we obviously have high hopes of him. So, if he does develop into that all-rounder that you always keep looking for, does give you a lot of flexibility with the 11s that you pick and the balance you can create in the team.
Take the last one.
अच्छा सर, जसप्रीत बुमराह के वर्कलोड मैनेजमेंट को आप कैसे देखते हैं? मतलब बहुत सारी क्या वो ज़्यादा रेस्ट मांग रहे हैं, क्या वो जो कम्युनिकेट कर रहे हैं वो सही है कि मैं इतने मैचेस खेलूंगा और इसके आगे मेरी बॉडी अलाउ नहीं कर रही है? आप एज अ चेयरमैन सेलेक्टर इसको कैसे देखते हैं?
नहीं, अभी तो वो दोनों मैचेस के लिए अवेलेबल है.
नहीं जो
सो आई मीन इट्स नॉर्मली उनके बारे में तो डिस्कशन तो फिजियोज या ट्रेनर्स के साथ होता है या कोच के साथ यूजुअली होता है, एंड ऑब्वियसली वी वांट द बेस्ट फॉर हिम, बट द टीम विल ऑलवेज कम फर्स्ट. That is always the case. He's a terrific performer, so we want him available as much as possible. But we have to be careful with him with some of the big tournaments coming as well. So, no, but I mean, it's like I said, the team always comes first.
सर मोहम्मद शमी भी कोई अपडेट है? काफी लंबे टाइम से बाहर है, कब तक मोहम्मद शमी वापस आ पाएंगे?
I mean, मेरे पास कोई अपडेट नहीं है. I think वो एक दुलीप ट्रॉफी मैच खेले हैं, बट ही इज नॉट हैड अ लॉट ऑफ क्रिकेट यार. पिछले 2-3 सालों में आई थिंक एक मैच खेले थे बंगाल के लिए और एक मैच अभी दुलीप ट्रॉफी का खेले. तो एज अ परफॉर्मर हमें पता है वो क्या कर सकते हैं, बट ही विल नीड टू प्ले सम क्रिकेट.
Sir, in India we have seen Gurnur Bra. Is he someone kind of you guys have handpicked from domestic as the fast bowler? Because he has not played that much first class cricket for Punjab, but we have seen him playing for India. I think is it something that longer term we are seeing him?
We are always looking here क्योंकि अभी तो we don't have a overseas tour for a while, so we've got a little bit more time to try and identify guys. He shows a lot of promise. India A की tour इस टाइम पे आई थी, तो we had an opportunity to see what he can do. Not just him, there are 3 or 4 guys, but we'll have to keep looking. Generally, we want to try and create a pool of fast bowlers because that is the toughest. I don't want to say toughest job, but certainly more injury prone. So you want enough backup, which you are trying to create and try and see who the right guys are.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thanks.
अक्टोबर 2 तारिख में अहमदाबाद में खेल गोटे और द्वितीय 10 अक्टोबर में खेल एवं 15 जणिया दल घोषणा करा जायछि. कप्तानी करेंगे शुभमन गिल और दल भितर कौ मान स्थान दि जाए आपको कहीदिए. यशस्वी जयसवाल अच्छा, शुभमन गिल को अधिनायक करा जायछि. केएल राहुल दल भितर रहिबे. साई सुदर्शन को सुजोग दि जायछि. देवदत्त पाडिक्कल रहिबे. ध्रुव जुरेल, रवींद्र जाडेजा, वाशिंगटन सुंदर, वाशिंगटन सुंदर या सहित अक्षर पटेल को मध्य सुजोग दिया जाइछि दल भितरे। कुलदीप यादव, जसप्रीत बुमरा, मोहम्मद सिराज, प्रसिद्ध कृष्णा, नीतीश रेड्डी मध्य तांको सहित एन जगदीशन मध्य दल भितरे रहिचंती। ये होछि वेस्टइंडीज विपक्ष टेस्ट सीरीज पई 15 जणिया टीम जहाँ एबे घोषणा करा जाइछि। पुणी थरे शुभमन गिल अधिनायक भाबरे नजर आसिबे एवं एई मैच खेला जिवो अक्टोबर 2 तारिख रे अहमदाबाद रे गोटी एवं द्वितीयटी खेला जिवो 10 अक्टोबर दिल्ली रे।